Hello friends, today I am going to discuss a brief and important discussion of the Hindu newspaper, and today is 23 June 2022. So let's move and look at the important article news points which are relevant for UPSC prelims as well as UPSC mains. Here I will tell you the points which are important for prelims and the points which are important for your mains answer writing. Okay, so let's move. And the first important or relevant news which I am able to find out is with regard to earthquake. So let's move and read this news. What it is about. Earthquake kills over 1,000 in East Afghanistan. 600 injured. Remote mountain village bear or burnt. Okay. So this news connects with your GS paper 1. Earthquakes are part of geography and questions are asked in prelims as well as in mains with regard to earthquake, their formation, how they occur, what are the reason behind them. For basics you can read NCERT, but look at here the news first. The news is death toll from an earthquake in Afghanistan. So this earthquake was in Afghanistan on Wednesday, hit 1,000, disaster management officials said, with more than 600 injured. Okay. Wednesday quake was deadliest, so you have to remember this. This earthquake was very deadly in Afghanistan since 2002. It struck about 44 km from southeastern city of Khost near border with Pakistan. The US Geological Survey find out. Okay. So this was the important news. And another article which relates to economy. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi is talking something, and the news is $1 trillion scope for digital economy. We all know the government is focusing on digital economy. So with regard to digital economy, news is here. So what Narendra Modi has said, there are more than 100 unicorn in over 70,000 startups in India, and their number continues to grow. Transformative change are taking place in every sector in emerging new India. Okay. India's digital economy and infrastructure sector had total potential. जो important fact दिया है जिसको आप note down कर सकते हैं, and you can put this factual information in your mains answer writing. Okay. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressing a BRICS business forum. So here important information about BRICS. So you can read about BRICS. What is BRICS? Okay. Why it is important? Mr. Modi said digital transformation unfolding in India had never been seen before on the world stage. China's President Xi Jinping, who is the host of BRICS summit. So you have to also remember this point, which is a factual but important. China's President Xi Jinping, who is the host of this year's BRICS summit, referred the crisis in Ukraine occasioned again block confirmation of Mr. Modi, who will address summit virtually on Thursday. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi helped address this meeting as with a virtual mode. Okay. What he has said, there are investment opportunity of 1.5 trillion under our national infrastructure pipeline. Okay. National Infrastructure Pipeline or NIP. Value of Indian digital economy will reach $1 trillion by 2025. Okay. Backup call. BRICS summit is being held against the backdrop of Ukraine crisis. He appeared to implicitly criticize NATO and West, that is, Chinese president criticized, which is not relevant for us. And other important news is demolition lawful if government tells Supreme Court. Actually, this news relates to demolition of private property of persons, which was involved in protest or riots recently happened in Uttar Pradesh with regard to Prophet Muhammad Raw. Okay. So Uttar Pradesh government said in Supreme Court on Wednesday that the demolition carried out in aftermath of violence following remarks made against Prophet Muhammad were not extra legal punitive measures targeting persons of particular religion community linked to rioting, but routine measures taken by independent local authorities against owner of illegal structure. Okay, so this was done with regard to illegal structure. And what other points are important? We take strong exception to attempt by the petitioner the name highest constitutional functionaries of state and falsely collaborate local development authorities lawful action strictly complying with UP Urban Planning and Development Act of 1973. Okay, so you have to remember this. Another important news which is relevant for environment: 4 new coral recorded from India or Indian water. Species newly found of Andaman and Nicobar Island belong to same family. So where this coral species is found, scientists have recorded 4 species of coral for the first time from Indian water. These species of zooxanthellae coral are found from the water of Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay. Zooxanthellae coral are a group of coral that do not contain zooxanthellae and derive nourishment not from sun but from capturing different form of planktons. Okay, so you have to remember this information. They are deep sea representative, with the majority of species being reported from depth between 200 meter and 1000 meter. Zooxanthellae corals that are restricted to shallow water. Okay. Detail of the new species have been published in the International Journal of Marine Species. You have to remember this organization and Geological Survey of India ZSI scientists behind this new finding. Okay. And solitary corals Mr. Leave what was important I have discussed. Let's move further. The information which will be important I will discuss, or I will not discuss the political news which are provided here. Okay. What is important I will discuss. The other important information is here. Protest against move to shift proposed heritage park in Manipur. So what is brown antler deer is found only in Kibul Lamjao National Park, which is in Manipur. Why this park is in news? It was to come up near Kibul Lamjao National Park, Bishnupur. What is news? Member of 7 Youth Club. People from all walks of life and women activists in place surrounding Kebul Lamjor National Park, which is in Manipur, have now taken up measures to ensure that BJP-led government does not seek the proposed heritage park from government-approved site. Okay. It was expected that a Museum of Indian National Army or INA, which hosted the first Indian flag near Loktak Lake, and will attract tourists from the country and abroad. The tourists can be treated for this park. Okay. Poaching treat. Some month ago, one person was caught with a sake of banishment. Government cannot ban the entry of fishermen into the Loktak Lake, including Kebul Lamjor National Park. The villagers have been fishing since time immemorial and have no alternative source of income. This is the problem. So far, Chief Minister and others have commented on the issue. So, if you want to read more about Kebul Lamjor National Park in Manipur, you can Google it. You will find a lot of important information which is relevant for you. And now, editorial section is given. I will not discuss it here. We will discuss later when I will discuss editorials of this newspaper. Role of caste in economic transformation. Opposition did not use presidential election to counter BJP's narrative. It's political news. No cause for alarm. India must return to COVID appropriate behavior. Okay. Heal the nation before healing the rest of the world. To was a single low tax regime. Cryptocurrency. Move with political news are given which are not relevant for us. NCB filed rough charge against Riya Chakraborty brother. CUET UG to be held from July 15, says National Testing Agency. So you have to, any one of you if going to participate in CUET or PG exam, news is important for all of you. Okay. We all know that Draupadi Murmu may file paper tomorrow, presidential candidate of India. And another important information is given about Santhal tribe. Why Santhal tribe is in news? Because central government has nominated Golden Era of Santhal tribe in India now, says community leaders. Santhal community is the spotlight after the NDA or National Democratic Alliance nominated one of its leader Draupadi Murmu for election, highest constitutional post in India, presidential post. Okay. The chance bright for Mr. Murmu to become first tribal person, become president. Committee members appear to be on cloud 9. Santhal is the third largest scheduled tribe community in country after Gond and Bhil. So first Gond, second Bhil, and third Santhal. So you have to remember. So here Santhal population is mostly distributed in Odisha, Jharkhand and West Bengal. Mr. Murmu's home district Mayurbhanj has the largest concentration of the tribe. Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal. Okay. So she belongs to Odisha. Santhal are found in Keonjhar and Balasore district of Odisha. According to Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Research and Training Institute, Bhubaneswar, the word Santhal is derived from two words, Santha meaning calm and peaceful, and Ala means institute says that in past Santhal had a leader nomadic life, okay, hunter gathering nomadic. Usually they come to settle down in Chota Nagpur Plateau. So remember where Chota Nagpur Plateau. Okay. Community leader say it is a golden era. Chalo Meherbanj MP leave about what's important. I have discussed their literacy rate is very high compared to with other tribes. So this another point is important. Okay. And what is their official language or what they speak? Santhal speaks Santhali, which has its own script called Ok Chiki, invented by Pandit Raghunath Murmu. Santhal in Ok Chiki script has been included in schedule to the constitution. Ok Chiki medium of instruction in many schools across the state. Santhal is a subject of first postgraduate. Okay. These were the important points with regard to Santhal. So what Australia Deputy Prime Minister Richard Marles says his country stood up for India's sovereignty. Okay. So you have to remember Australian Deputy PM Richard Marles with Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. Name remember can be asked in one day exam. Assault of Indian forces along the line of actual control in 2020 was a warning we should all had. Okay. It is vital that China commit to resolving this dispute through a process of dialogue consisting with international law. Global rule-based order matter everywhere. Leave it. Not important to attend G7 summit. What is G7 summit? Remember to plan move against Russia. So there is a plan to move against Russia. Why? As the world's most developed economies meet for the G7 summit this weekend to discuss their next move against Russia. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will fly to German Alpine Resort. Okay, this meeting will be held in Germany. External Affairs Ministry of External Affairs announced on Wednesday. Okay, New Delhi is preparing for more pressure from G7 countries, including Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, UK, US, and EU, which have unintentionally imposed sanctions on Russia since invasion of Ukraine. Prime Minister is expected to speak in two sessions that include environment, energy, climate, food security, health, gender equality, and democracy. Okay. Another short news which is important is Ministry of Defence approves BRO's CAF in border areas. The Ministry of Defence on Wednesday approved the setting of bayside amenities with border road organization to be branded as a BRO CAF. 75 locations in 12 states and union territory. These are intended to provide basic amenities and comfort to tourists and lead to boosting economic activities in border areas. Okay. So remember what is